Good morning, peeps. Happy Friday. Happy Good Friday, as a matter of fact. All right, so it's early. I am waiting for Alex and Lana to come in, and we're gonna get on our way to the airport. We're headed to Denver for Ratchet Wellness Weekend. What that is a retreat of sorts that me and the usual suspects are doing. So Alex, Lana, Kia, and Dory is gonna meet us there. So getting the band back together, and we are going to have a restful weekend, do some workshopping and crafting and things like that, and some therapeutic stuff, so we can, you know, refresh ourselves and just be around each other and then really enjoy. This is something that I think I want to expand. So we're gonna see how this goes. Like my sisters are my guinea pigs, so we're gonna see how this goes. I was gonna bring my large stuff, but you know, I am, you know, budget traveling it. So this me, like, that's it. The backpack, it's all I got. And that's for 4 days. So I filmed 2 tutorials, one on how I packed that bag, but also how I packed my toiletry kits. Now I ended up using one different toiletry bag, which was just a little bit smaller and a little bit more pliable, so it didn't take up as much space, but everything still applies. So I'm gonna have those up over the next 2 or 3 weeks. I'm gonna be posting those, so look forward to that, especially since in a week and a half I'll be defending my comps. So I'm not gonna film anything new. I'm gonna take what I filmed before today and upload that for y'all. So look out for that, because y'all, comps has me in shambles, let's be honest. So, but I will be still uploading new content, thankfully. But yeah, we'll see you when we get in the airport. All right, we in this thing. 3 out of 5. I'm standing up. Yay, everybody's here. And they did me proud. Look at these bags, y'all. Look at these bags. Look at these bags. Look at this. Look at this. I taught them well. So I'm so proud right now. So it was a struggle, but we did it. Everybody backpack pimping.
Cause baby, I was like, I cannot fool Spirit and miss having to pay for a carry-on. I'm used to Southwest. Southwest, you can bring 2 bags free. I be just bringing everything.
See, that's the problem. You don't need to pack that much. Like, we trying to tell y'all.
But when you pack everything, then you liable to leave at least 2 things somewhere.
This is true. Like, it just less to be responsible for. But we out here. Alex is in the fancy United Concourse where they got iPads. She fancy rich people. So yeah, we're waiting to board our plane, and then we're off. Super excited. This is gonna be the best. I am so excited right now. I totally forgot about the fact that there was a box of veggies in this lunch. Well, so we made it. We are regrouping. Everybody's happy. Everybody has coffee or some variation of coffee. But Alex is delayed, so we're just kind of hanging out in the airport until she gets here, because the airport in Denver is almost 30 miles from the city center, so do be aware of that. We're all the way out past Aurora. So yes, that is something to keep in mind if you're going to Uber or Lyft, that it is going to be kind of pricey. Ours priced out at like 38 bucks to get to where we're supposed to be. So just something to keep in mind. So we just gonna be chilling until we not chilling, and we're gonna get a couple vittles, because it's about that time. Vittle time. Just the meat.
Y'all ask for it. Ain't nobody checking for you.
So everybody's here. It's a very nice accommodation.
Well, listen, I'm trying to figure out how to. Don't come for me. Leave me alone. Let me figure this out.
Okay, so while y'all do that,
You got a pen for me to come for you.
Ooh. What? All right. So, okay, guys.
But you got plenty of.
I'm gonna do the walkthrough. So
Yeah,
this is
for y'all because y'all was like this.
it's a cute little brick situation.
I know how to use
Stairs. Nice.
He's sitting right here. I couldn't
And excuse me. Alright.
Why you wait till everybody get here to do this?
Cause y'all were yelling, it was making me uncomfortable.
But I'm saying you could have did the tour last time.
No, she just started randomly doing the tour because she was tired of us screaming. She started
Alright, and then we got a little workspace out here. And then that's the outside. It's so cute. And upstairs, it's a 2-bedroom house. So it says it can accommodate 5. So it's 2 beds and then a very comfortable sinky couch. Alright. Stairs are super narrow and there's no banister. Y'all are so silly.
No, because now I'm gonna act brand new. Like I didn't.
Alright. This is the bed, one of the bedrooms. Bathroom. And the second bedroom. And you can sit out on the roof. So we're about to watch some more stuff and get dinner figured out. See y'all in a bit. Super excited. And then we're going to take
on my account, ma'am.
Longer than 4 minutes, so shouldn't you change the time?
What? This is where we went. Everybody got bags.
I believe Alana is a stripper. Stripper. Watch her twerk her pain away.
Because you hated on the song is about you.
I was told a lie.
To make it easier, let the strippers twirling.
We're gonna do this before my camera dies again, but we're here with Engineer. Hey! So we are just riding around Denver, seeing what's up, and probably gonna pop into a bookstore. So that's really exciting. Kiddos, we are at Milk Box in Union Station, and it is a ice cream place, but they make alcohol infused milkshakes. So this is going to be very, very exciting. And they have vegan options for their ice cream. I'm trying the horchata. We are out here at Rooney Park. We are about to hike a little bit and take a look at the view. We're up in the mountains and we had an adventure getting here. The GPS got us lost. But it's Monday. As you can see, we're down to 3 of us. And we're all going home today. But I know, back to life. Right? Back to reality. Oh, wow.
The whole country could just be like this.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, this is so...
Right. Not the gentrified parts of Denver.
Not the bad looks.
Like,
more homeless.
I really like appreciate this because when you live in a city, like you don't get to see the beauty and the
Right.
green of Earth. Like it's just.
This view is everything. I know you probably can't hear me because of the traffic because we're walking over a bridge. But check that out. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh. So pretty. Look at all that. Alright, kiddos, we are at Sugar. And they have all kinds of goodness. But what we are here for are these. They have vegan homemade Pop-Tart situations that look absolutely glorious. Getting into it. And they got paleo chocolate chip cookies.